2026 Suzuki GT380 has become a hot topic among retro motorcycle enthusiasts. However, Suzuki has not officially announced a new GT380. The original GT380, introduced in 1972, became famous for its air-cooled three-cylinder two-stroke engine and innovative ram air cooling system, earning a legendary reputation among classic motorcycle fans. If Suzuki ever revives the GT380, it would likely replace the original two-stroke engine with a modern 400 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine to meet today's emissions regulations. The engine could produce around 45 to 50 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed transmission, an assistant slipper clutch, and ride-by-wire throttle, offering smooth performance with enough power for both city riding and weekend touring. The design would honor the original GT380 while embracing modern styling. A round full LED headlight, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, chrome-inspired exhaust system, wire spoke or lightweight alloy wheels, and premium metallic paint would give the bike a timeless retro appearance. Suzuki could also retain subtle styling cues inspired by the original GT series to celebrate its rich heritage. Technology would bring the legendary GT380 into the modern era. Riders could expect a 5-inch TFT display, smartphone connectivity, selectable riding modes, traction control, dual-channel ABS, USB-C charging, full LED lighting, and keyless ignition. These upgrades would provide modern convenience while preserving the motorcycle's classic personality. Comfort would also be a major strength. An upright riding position, wide handlebars, a well-cushioned seat, and refined suspension would make the motorcycle ideal for daily commuting, weekend rides, and longer touring adventures. A lightweight chassis would help deliver agile handling while maintaining the relaxed character expected from a retro roadster. Now let's talk about the price. Since Suzuki has not officially confirmed a 2026 GT380, there is no official MSRP. If the motorcycle enters production, a realistic estimated starting price would be around $7,500 to $8,500, depending on the market and final specifications. If Suzuki decides to revive the GT380, it could become one of the most exciting retro motorcycles of the decade. By blending timeless styling, modern engineering, advanced technology, and the spirit of the original three-cylinder classic, the 2026 Suzuki GT380 could introduce a new generation of riders to one of Suzuki's most beloved legends while honoring the legacy that made the original GT380 an icon.